How'd you get in there, ass face?
Rashpocket, why on earth do you think I paid an extra $642 for the Wilthaniel Animal Wonderland VIP pass?
Seems about right. This isn't front page material.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
Get out of my house!
That's a fair call.
Me eyes! Me Irish eyes!
Rashpocket, we have to get out of here.
What happens now?
Get off my lawn, you flippin' mongrels!
What the hell is going on here, Rashman? Rashman, we gotta get out of here, you crazy bastard!
My name's Rashman.
Vanessa.
What the hell is this?
Boys,
God blimey! This little fella's just fallen out of the sky, but he hasn't got any wings!
there's a lot of things I haven't got.
Like what?
An exoskeleton?
He's not wrong there. He's right!
Yeah, we know the opposite of wrong, you piece of ass.
So, what is your name, little man?
Rashpocket? Just call me Rashpocket.
I'm Eugene.
Francois Gaga.
Pancho. 2 drinks, Mackenzie.
Don't listen to Timmy. He's dyslexic.
So, what are a bunch of parakeets like you doing on a ledge like this? And at this hour?
We're just a bunch of pigeons, flopping about, taking it easy, traveling from country to country, spreading our seed.
Eating seed?
Obviously not the same seed.
No, this will be disgusting.
That is disgusting.
So, Rash Puppet, you got any jokes?
Yes, any humorous knock-knock jokes?
No. But I do have a few filthy limericks.
Yeah, lay it on us, mano. Do it up.
He had the eyes and the soul of a duck, and loved nothing more than a squishy hard Her dribbling was floppy and wet. The little girl's rock was bruised when they'd met. Bulb the hole, stiff raging. He slipped on her. On his way to a cracker and landed right up her clacker, and the left, right, and no one was safe from pregnancy. The orgy from up till a midget was. Someone a the slut around from squatting to wall to. Up the wall and into the eyes of an onlooking owl.
Well, I got a split. Going to make love to an ibis.
She's a scrubber.
Absolute slapper. Face like a burnt scrotum.
Tengo un huevo para ti, mamacita. Lo vamos a hacer all night long.
Do you even like Pancho?
I hate him. I have never liked him.
Well, let's get some crackers.
I could go a cracker right now. Piece of wet bread wouldn't go astray either. You right to get home? Keep it surreal.
Thanks for the lift. Vinegar. Psst. Rashpocket. Rashpocket.
Hey, matey. I must have dozed off.
How do we get down from here?
How did you get up here? Shit, mate. Shit.
Don't worry, Champeroony. We'll be alright. We'll be alright.